So, day 3, International Terrorism. Terrorism during a few decades has been terrorizing the whole world. Some of the countries like India and Pakistan have faced terror attacks frequently. India has been the worst not nation. Before going in depth, let us first know what terrorism is. Terrorism is a phenomena that believe in the act of terrorizing the mass. It has no religion, no caste, no need. It only believe in destruction of humanity. Of humanity, the men who do such act are called terrorists. They are the person with misguided zeal. Their minds have been poisoned to do the person who such act with the belief that their religion is in danger and they are jihadis. The savior of uh, religion. Terrorism for them is a jihad, the war for religion. The biggest threat that the nation state is facing today flow out of terrorism, which is widespread geographically and diverse diverse ideological, ideologically. Modern terrorism Modern terrorism thrives on its ability to hit where it hurts the most. The most. While the held, while the hallmark of the earlier terrorist was that they wanted to a lot wanted a lot of people watching and not a lot of people dead. Modern terrorists see who people see कहाँ मर गया ठीक है modern terrorists see death and destruction as an end in itself. All terrorists should be changed the world as they were fired by apocalyptic vision. The practice, the practitioners, the practitioners, the practitioners, कहाँ मर गया? On modern terrorism believe the world is beyond. रोको ठीक है. The practitioners of modern terrorism believe the world is beyond redemption. Irish terrorists, the Italian and Japanese Red Brightners, the Baden men of gang in Germany, Islamic and Jewish fundamentalists have all sought to spread their ideology by the sword. Terrorist machine gun fire has interrupted the prayers of dozens of worshippers and cut short the journey of bus, rail, and air passengers. Uh, Dozens of countries are bleeding from terrorism of one who are of another. Terrorists based on South and West Asia have spilled blood in far off land. The street of Buenos Arians, New York, Nairobi, Dar es Salaam, and Moscow. No one seems to be safe from the Hideon's ugly death. Crime and politics have having become two sides of the same coin. The well-being of the citizen in relegates to a secondary status. In this confused prescription, prescription to securities, the terrorist has a ready field to exploit. The relationship between the citizen and the state having snapped, terrorists target the citizens with greater violence and in the last expected place. There is a limit to the society the state can provide to its own. It need the citizen to help the state with security. The citizen is unwilling to be part of the security chain due to his disillusionment with the state of government. A military apparatus cannot be the glue which binds the citizen and the state in a security relationship. relationship. Terrorists use violence to create an atmosphere of fear. They choose soft targets and adopt extreme position. The typical terrorist would be around 20-25 years. Often the terrorist is a male, but young women too have play a prominent role, as we see in the chases of Palestinians and the Tamil Tiger and Sri Lanka. He or he or she would be a single and comes mostly from the lower middle class. The terrorists prefer to describe theme slaves as militants, public property, political establishment, police officer, diplomats, business executives, and other prominent personalities are their targets. Those who take to terrorism are self-conscious and suffer from a sense of injustice. Their objective are a a point publish publish the extensions of a give group. Their example why a particular group while inform the media about its involvement in a terrorist act immediately after the act. B. Gain public attention and sympathy for the cause. C. Gain acceptance of the moral justification of their otherwise inhuman action. The terrorist would be fearless and ruthless because there is a fired by the through that any act, be it killing of innocent civilians and destruction of public property or holy place to achieve the goals set by his group in justified. ठीक है. They are totally intolerant of any other point of view but its own. The terrorists have a tunnel visions that every other idea is wrong and are ready to die for their cause. बस आज के लिए डन।